Welcome back everyone, my name is Lee from Lee's Kitchen. Today we're making chicken tenders and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make them at home so you don't have to buy that frozen store-bought crap. So first I'm going to start by heating my deep fryer to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. And in my fryer I'm using rice bran oil. I'm just going to turn the hood on as well because that starts to stinch the house out. So now we're going to do the wet mixture. So now I'm going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl. And I'm going to add just a little bit of flour, a couple of tablespoons, just so it will actually stick to the actual chicken. Then I add probably about a 1/4 cup of homemade sriracha sauce. This stuff is so spicy and it's so good. And then we're just going to whisk that and just get all that combined. Now we're going to make the dry mixture. So now we're going to get 1.5 cups of plain flour into a bowl. Then I'm going to add probably about a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a good tablespoon of paprika, and some cayenne pepper. I would have put more, but this is all I had left. So that's about half a teaspoon there. Then I'm going to add about a teaspoon's worth of salt. About half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm also going to add something controversial. I'm going to add some MSG as well. I got this bag online. You can't actually really get it in Australia, but I like the way it adds a little bit of extra flavour to it. And then we're just going to whisk that all together and to get all that combined. So I said I'm using chicken tenders. You could use any sort of chicken you want. As you can see, $9, 500 grams. How does that compare to your country? And then we're going to dip it into the actual flour mixture first. And we'll cover the chicken in this flour so that it'll stick to the egg mixture. Now really, I didn't think about the way I was going to actually do all of this. I should have had it all completely flipped over, because as you'll see when I go to make these, I'm going to be crossing over back and forward a lot. So now we're going to dip the chicken into the egg mixture and then into the flour. If you can, try use one hand to be in the egg mixture and the other one just for flour, and that way your fingers won't get completely covered in sticky flour. And then we're just going to repeat that till all the chicken is done. So I'm using rice bran oil in my deep fryer. That's my preferred oil for deep frying. And we're going to put a few into the basket. And then we're going to lower it into the oil. And we're going to cook them for about 4 minutes. Every now and then give the basket a good shake, just to make sure they stay separated. First batch done. Don't they look good? And I'm using the rack from my air fryer to put the cooked chicken on. Alright, second batch in. That's the second batch done. So let's try them out. That's how they are. That surely beats that store-bought crap. They look really good. Let's try one. Still moist, a little bit spicy. You could make it as spicy as you want to, adding a little bit more sriracha or something like that. But they're perfect to me. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a good like. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.